Okay, so we just made keys to a Ford Escape. This is a 2007 model, and Instacode does not have the cuts for it. So the first chamber goes odd, even, or even, odd, even, odd. So it doesn't come up with the code for this. I had to impression the first cut. Also, it used the Mazda key blank. So I'll just put this down. So the only way to actually get the key code was to actually remove the door lock and the key in there. So I just programmed in the transponder. The doors are locked, doors are unlocked, and we just come to the ignition. And the other thing that was unusual about this job is that it's actually using the so I just got a transponder here, and we'll just start it, wait for the theft light to go off as it did. And that's it. That's one transponder. We'll just program in, we've just programmed in one, and that's all the customer wants. But it's always a good idea to program two, especially if it's a transponder that you don't actually, it's not locked. So there's a, okay, so that's about it. Now we'll just unplug from the ABD, put the laptop back in the car. So as I was saying, like this one here was actually an 80-bit, which was interesting. So I put all these things back together, and that's it. Car's on. We'll leave it go for a couple of minutes. All keys lost. Done.